Now let's select it and let's drag it here. Anywhere you wish. Now let's zoom in. We need to reduce its size, of course. It's really very big. Let's place it here or here only. Let's see. Yeah, this is looking nice. Really nice. Let's drag this rose bud. Let's place it here. Wow. Just wow. Drag this red rose and let's put it here. Wow, just wow. But alas, we need to reduce its size. I'm thinking to copy these leaves here also. What do you think? So for that, here is the symbols panel. Let's drag it and let's place it here. Let's zoom in. Let's rotate it like this. Let's reduce its size. Yup. And let's place it here. Let's zoom out and check it. How is this looking? Select the brush tool. Let's draw something here. What do you think of drawing a leaf? Nah. Let's press Ctrl Z. I'm thinking of adding a leaf here. Let's zoom out. Sorry, let's zoom in. And also we need to draw something here inside this circle. Okay, so here it is, right? Let's draw something like, say, this. What do you think? Will it look nice? Let's see. It's not looking bad, isn't it? Okay, now Let's draw a spiral. But where? Here? Let's try to draw one. Not so big though. Here? Let's draw one. Wow. Just oh my god. Wow. You can even increase its stroke. Yeah. Awesome, isn't it? Now for here, I'm thinking. For here, I have a trick actually. Let's see. Let's see. Select this eye and let's drag it here. Anywhere. I mean here only. Now we need to reduce its size. It's really very big. I know that was looking really complex, isn't it? Okay, let me see how is this looking. Yeah, it is also fine. But no. So this is the one, right? Let's put it here. Okay. Using the ellipse tool, let's draw an ellipse. OMG. Let's make it stroke 1 point, or this is looking nice. Or is this looking nice? No, let's see. Yeah. Okay. And here also we need some kind of circle or star. Let's draw a star. A teeny tiny star. And let's see what happens. OMG! Select the brush tool. This is looking really awesome. Now let's go to object, expand. Okay, so for that let's check this layer 3, go to object, click on expand appearance. It's gonna be huge. Yes, friend. Now you can shrink its size. Okay guys, so that's it. Let's zoom in. So how is this looking? How is this looking? You can even go crazy with it, you know. Yes, friend, like drawing some leaves around here. Anything you can draw. So this is how you can create cool mandala. In our next lecture, I'll be taking you through all the steps that we have followed to create a mandala. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.